In this video, I'm going to teach you how to customize default deal name in HubSpot. So in order to do that, you first need to head over and then access your settings. So you can do so by clicking on this gear icon that we have right here. Once you're in there, scroll down and locate objects. Here's objects and here's deals, so click on this. Under this creating deals, you can see the option to customize the create deal form. So click onto this right here. And in this left sidebar, you can see these options for adding default values. So for this case, you can personalize the name of the deal itself. So you can search for properties that will have it. So you can head over and find properties, like for example, you can personalize it by adding open brackets, such as this one. You can also add it directly into this particular deal name. And once you have done that, you can head over and save and close this right here. So that's all there is today, and if you haven't subscribed for HubSpot yet, make sure to use your affiliate links given in the video description. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.